Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use template on CapCut PC. So if you installed CapCut on your PC, this is the application that you can download for free from the official website. You cannot use template in these apps, in this software. So you can use the template only on CapCut browser. This is free online video editor. Sign in first, and then you can open CapCut. Here you can use templates for free. So you can edit your video using the template that CapCut provide for you. This is the CapCut a browser edition, I say it, but it's it's not complete. It's just a limited version of CapCut. So if you want the full version, just go with a mobile version or a PC version, of course, and join Pro. That's the important thing. So this take too long to load. My internet is not good today. But this is the way how you can use template here. You can open CapCut.com. This is free online editor. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.